Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the GRDE Smartwatch for women. Of course, it's not only for women, for all kind of mankind, guys and girls and etc. out there can wear this awesome thing. It should not be every time a so expensive Apple Watch like mine, for example. It can be a little bit cheaper. With that GRDE smartwatch, that's possible, with a lot of function in it. For 1.3 inches full touch fitness trackers, waterproof sports activity trackers with heart rate sleep monitor, pedometer, calorie for female health, smartwatch for Android and iOS phones. That's awesome. And it's really easy and it looks great. It's a multifunctional smartwatch for man, of course, and woman. The GRDE smartwatch equipped with 1.3 inches high definition full touch screen. The Bluetooth low energy chip can bring 7 days of regular use and 35 days of standby experience. Sports smartwatch also has music control, stopwatch, alarm, clock, sedentary reminder function too, and heart rate monitor and sleep monitor is included. This activity tracker monitor our heart rate all day long. It tracks the calories burned, maintain our health through data analysis, and adjust the energy during exercise. Automatically monitor our sleep and analyze our sleep quality through the deep sleep, light sleep, and wake up. So we better understand our sleep quality. It helps us develop a healthier lifestyle out there. And on top, message notifications and call reminder. After the male and the female smartwatches are connected to the mobile phone, set them through the app, of course. When the mobile phone receives a call, the text message and a messenger message for Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram messengers, etc. It will vibrate to remind us. We will never miss important calls or messages. We can also reject calls from our watch. The smartwatch is compatible with Android 4.4 and iOS 8.1 and above, and 5 atmosphere waterproof and 9 sports modes included. The smartwatch fitness tracker supports 9 sport modes. Accurately records our real-time distance, steps, heart rate, and calories while we are in exercise. To help better exercise the body to achieve exercise goals, we can view the exercise status on the watch screen or on the app. 5 atmosphere waterproof function allows us to wear the fitness smartwatch with confidence when washing our hands and swimming. We should not use it in shower or sauna. But swimming is okay, no problem. And women's health care and breathing training. The unique Woman Healthy Care function helps women understand the psychological situation in detail through the app, recording the individual physiological cycle and predict the ovulation period. Predict and remind the physiological, helping us to improve a healthier lifestyle. We can also use the breathing function to train our lungs capacity and exercise our lungs. And of course, it's nice for chill out day long. Oh yeah. GRDE smartwatch. We can care about our health. That's a nice smartwatch. It comes with so much bunch of function with it. It looks really a little bit female, but it looks really cute. It comes with a 1.3 inches color HD screen, 4 dial types, adjustable brightness is adjustable too. And I like the 9 exercise modes. It supports indoor and outdoor sports, walking, running, cycling, Oh yeah, more walking, treadmill exercise, and spinning, and yoga, and etc. And in daily activity monitoring. The heart rate monitoring, the sleep monitoring, the place monitoring, the calorie monitoring, the distance monitoring. This helps us to understand our health so we can adjust our training and lifestyle. And battery life is really awesome for a small battery. 10 days on a 2.5 hours charge or 30 up to 45 days on standby mode. Ooh, there is an advanced Nordic 52840 chip inside. This is a smaller size, the lowest power consumption, highly integrated, more accurate data and data logging. We can record our training status on Very Fit Pro and automatically sync our watch to the Very Fit Pro app after it's connected to our phone. And notifications. Oh, call alert, SMS alert, alarm clock alert, sedentary alert. Ooh, and of course, multiple language supported. English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese. What you like, you can speak it. Or you can see it on the screen. Of course, if your smartphone has one of these languages, the app will automatically give these data to that smartwatch and change the language itself. Of course, the clock will be set the time automatically if you connect it to the app. Continuous heart rate monitoring throughout the day will be as a reference for our daily exercise to help us fully understand our heartbeat situation and adjust your daily exercises. Oh, we have sleep tracking, automatic sleep monitoring throughout the night, and the smartwatch clear records of the deep sleep, of the shadow sleep, and awake sleep through charts to help us to analyze to improve the sleep quality. And a super long battery life. The fitness tracker can work 7 up to 10 days with only one full charge. Much longer than traditional watches out there. We can go with it for long time training or workout with no worries, baby. And music control. We can quickly control our phone's music through smartwatch itself. It plays, pause, and adjusts the tracks. And 5 atmosphere waterproof. Ooh, suitable for swimming, in swimming pool, and shallow beach or showering in cold water. That's really awesome. And I like it really much because it's in my watch too, so nice and message reminder. When we are receiving a call or an app message, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or other app messages, the smartwatch alerts us with a vibrate. We can set it in or off in the Very Fit Pro app as we like. And the woman's care function. Be free with its reminder. We can set up menstrual details in the app to track our menstrual cycle, record symptoms, view a calendar about ovulation, and much more to better understanding. This is really awesome looking and feeling and working GRDE smartwatch for women out there. It's really easy. You have to download the app. Then the app will go via Bluetooth connected with your smartwatch easily. If you are connected, you can choose the parameters by using the app, or you can transfer the data. The model is the ID205L. The battery capacity is 210 mAh. The charging time is about 2.5 hours. Waterproof level 5 atmosphere. The operation temperature is from minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 45. The product frequency is 2402 to 24,080. That is 2,480 megahertz. Oh, the screen type is 1.3 inches color screen. The charging voltage is 5 volt plus minus 0.2 volt. That means you can operate it with all your AC adapters hardware from your smartphone, for example, or your computer, iPad as well. The battery life is 8 up to 10 days. The weight of the product is only 35 grams. That's nothing. The Bluetooth version is 4.2 and the maximum transmission power consumption is 0.75 decibel. That's the GRDE Smartwatch for women and other mankind out there. With a 1.3 full touch witness tracker screen. It's waterproof. It's a sports activity tracker with a heart rate, sleep monitor, pedometer, calories for female health watch. It's a smart watch for Android and iOS phones out there. And of course, if you do not have a phone or a smart device, you can use this smartwatch too. No problem, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.